Hi, welcome back to Building with Blocks. In previous episode, we explained how templates are used in the classic themes, and now we are going to explain templates in the block theme. Templates are the cornerstone of full site editing. Every single page on your website will need a template. So this is a template. This is also a template. And even this is a template. To access the templates that are available for your website, we will have to switch to the WordPress admin and then go to Appearance Editor and move to Templates. This is the page I briefly showed in the previous video. In this video, however, I'm going to show you how to use them on your website. Let's take a look at this 404 page or page 404 template. Let's open it, edit your site, and let's change this text to, let's say, hello YouTube, and save our template. Template is now updated. And yes, I saw a typo, but I'm just gonna ignore it. Okay, let's click here to get back to all of our templates. Take a look at the template now. It's updated, all right? Now I need to exit the full screen for a while. Go to the website and let's try and open some random page. You see how my 404 page now changed to what I have set here. If for whatever reason you are not happy with how your template looks, let's say you made a bigger mistake than just a simple typo like I did, you can click on three dots right here and reset your default template. It's already reset. Now when we refresh this page, it's the standard default template. Remember when I said that every single page on your website is going to need a template? Allow me to demonstrate. Let's, for example, open a recent activity page and edit it. Here on the right-hand sidebar that you can access by clicking on this icon over here if it's not open for you already, you can change the template that this page is going to use. As you can see right now, template for this recent activity page is pages. You can click on the template options and change the template. You will have a selection of templates that are available for your pages. Okay, this page right now is using a pages template. You can see the pages template by going into your templates of the block theme and select the pages template. Let's open it and then compare it with what we see on the front end. This is our recent activity page on the front end that is using this pages template. This is the pages template. Let's say we don't want to have a page title on this template. Okay, we will just remove the title block as any other block. Okay, delete the title block, save the template. Let's refresh this page, and now our title is gone, but it will be gone for every other page because all other pages, for example, members page or photos page, they are all using the same template and the title is gone in that template. Let's change it back. So we will go back to our editor, click Control Z, or you can do it this way, just exit the editor, go to pages, and then reset the page. All right, so now the page is reset. Let's go back to our website. Let's go back to the activity page. Title is back there, members is there, photos. I don't have any photo on the site, so that's why it's showing empty page, but the title is more important. That's what we do. So let's recap what we have learned. Every single page on your website is going to require a template, and you can access the templates by going to Block Theme Editor, then Templates, and edit them there. We can also change the template individually per page by going into Pages Editor, open any page that we want to apply different template to, let's say Messages page, edit it, and simply change your template. Let's choose this one. Save it. And now when we view the page, it's gonna apply the template with a single sidebar. Okay, let's quickly go to members page. It's applying this template with two sidebars. So the lesson here is really that all the pages need to have templates, and you can edit your templates here. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!